Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a kind of review video and not really an unboxing on my latest goodie from Chanel. My birthday has come and gone, and for my birthday I decided to treat myself to something I had seen and wanted, and it's very different. A lot of you thought it was a handbag, and I got a lot of messages when I posted it on Instagram like, what is it? What's going on? And I will show you guys. It's nothing. I mean, it's different because it's something that I've never purchased and I've really never seen anyone else own or talk about here on YouTube or kind of in general. But it caught my eye when I was looking for a wallet. Because I have the zip wallet that I've shown. I did like a clip in like a vlog like a while ago when I got it. And it's great and it's small and it has like a lot of card spots. But it's like really compact, and I really wanted one that's compact because, you know, I have smaller bags, or I have bags that they, you know, need to have room, you know, I need smaller items. So I like it, but the problem is if I ever have cash, which 9 times out of 10 I don't have that much cash on me. I don't like to keep cash because I feel like I lose it. I'm very disorganized sometimes, and I just like to pay with my debit card because it's like the same thing to me. But some people are like that, and I know like a lot of people, like my mom, she will only pay cash and like only use her card if she has to. But I don't like that because especially like in the store, okay, this is like totally off topic of this, and I will get to this in a minute. But you know, when you're in the store, like whether the grocery store or whatever, and like there's a long line, and I think there's like a meme about this, and you're trying to like, whether it's cash or your card, and you're trying to like get and shove everything in your wallet and like get out of there as fast as possible. Well, like if I ever pay cash and like they give me my change and I'm just like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? I have to like, I don't have time to put it away because there's people there. So I just like shove it in my bag, and then anyway, so that's just a funny story. So I was looking for a wallet because I have the big wallet too. You guys remember I did an unboxing like years ago. That was like one of my first, like, I guess they call them what, small leather goods. It was like a really big wallet, and it flapped, you know, it opened, it was like an accordion, and I still have that and I love that. And that works like if I have bigger bags. Like, you know, if you have like a really big bag and a lot of room, that works. But I've been using smaller bags lately, so I like the other one, but I have to like, if I have cash, I have to fold it or whatever. So I was looking on the website and I found this, and it's called the pouch. So it looks like this, and it is so slim. Like it's like the length of like a normal size wallet, like cash will like fit in here nicely. And it's, you know, it has a zipper, which is so nice. And then this has a little pouch here. So in the zipper, there are, I think, 3 card slots, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, you can't really see it. Like if I get in, I don't want to like stretch it out, but like there's 3 slots here. And then this pouch here also has 3 slots for cards. So it has, you know, 6 card slots, which is really nice. And I think my other wallet has that as well. But what I like about this is that it's long enough that you can fit cash without having to like fold it up. Like you could like literally fit in, if you have cash, fits in nicely. And it zippers, and it's like a nice normal length, but it's so thin. Like, and you would have like a hard time. I mean, unless you're like a baller and you're rolling in the dough and you're like a lot of, you know, it probably wouldn't work. But like if you're like me and you have like a couple 20s, 5s, 10s, you know, whatever, like tip money too. Like that's like a lot of times when I have cash to, like if I know if I have appointments and I have to tip, I'll keep cash because I tip in cash. I don't like to, like when you pay for stuff and then you could like add the tip on. I don't like to do that because I feel like, are they really gonna get it? A, and B, don't they have to pay money on that? So aren't they losing money? I don't know. This is like turning into a random video instead of a review video on the Chanel pouch. Anyway, so this is lambskin, and it has the camellia flowers all over it, front and back, and it's silver hardware. It's not ruthenium. I mean, these are few and far between to find. You know, like online, they have like different ones. They don't have like a huge selection. I just kind of wanted something simple and practical. And I mean, I probably would have preferred ruthenium because all my other bags are, but I mean, I don't care. It's still pretty, and it's just very minimal, you know, like, and that's what I like. It's minimal, so it'll fit and nothing's going to get, you know, scratched. It's not like a big emblem. It's just 2 small C's, and the zipper is really nice, guys. Like it just It doesn't snag. It's perfect. And it's just so well made. I mean, you guys know Chanel is just amazing. So you can put your cash in here and your cards. And even, I mean, you can even put the cash in here. I mean, it's the same. So I would probably just put it in here because it zips. But I love it because too, like in here, you can even slide some receipts, you know, if like you're saving your receipts. And it's really nice. Even if you have coins, that's one thing I hate. I hate change. Anytime you like pay cash and you get change, I never keep the change. I always, if there's a tip jar, I'm like, here, take it. I don't want it. Because I just don't like coins. The only time I'll have like a quarter, I'll always make sure I have a quarter in case I go to Aldi, but I haven't been shopping there much. Anyway, it has like the little CCs here as well. And like the CCs are like actually in the middle of some of the flowers, but it's just like, it's a beautiful little pouch. And like I said, when I was telling people like, what is it? I'm like, it's a pouch, and no one knows what I'm talking about. I'm like, it's like this beautiful, like flat pouch wallet. I don't know, they call it a pouch. I'm like, and normally a pouch, you think it's a makeup bag, but it's not. But I just love this, and I treated myself to this because I really wanted something. And even if you're going out, it could probably double as a clutch. I highly doubt your cell phone's gonna fit in here, but just like running out the door, you can like hold on to this, and it's really nice and super pretty. And again, it's lambskin. It's just so soft and buttery, and it's beautiful. And I got this, like I said, to put cash and my card, so it'll work very nicely as a wallet, even though it's a pouch. So I wanted to show you guys, kind of give like a mini review as to what it was and how it works, and this is it. So she is very pretty and very beautiful, and again, super thin, like really, really thinner than, I don't even have anything to compare it to, but super thin, easy to fit in and out. Like this would be great for like the boy bag because it's so thin, it'll fit right in and not take up a lot of space. Like the other wallet, it's compact, but it's bulky, it's big, so it takes up more space. So this can kind of just slip in the back and you have room for other stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys my pouch that I got myself for my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And I hope that kind of shows you guys what it is, and if you're like looking for something like that, maybe this will help, because I don't, like I said, I've never seen anybody have this or talk about this, and it kind of caught me off guard when I saw it online. I was like, what is this? So, and I bought it sight unseen too. I just texted my SA and I was like, hey, do you have this? And he didn't have it. He had to get it from like a different store that they had to like ship it to me. So I kind of bought it sight unseen, not even seeing it in person, no pictures, because he didn't have it. And I was just kind of like hoping, I'm like, I really hope that this is like what I think it is. And it was. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you enjoy Chanel or luxury goods or any of that good stuff, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys very soon.